Hello and welcome, dear traders and investors. Today is April 29, Monday. I'm glad to present to you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with EURUSD currency pair. Jakub Novak presents. You can buy the euro today when the price reached around 1.0733, with a target of rising at 1.0775. At 1.0775, you would exit the market and sell the euro in the opposite direction, expecting a movement of 30-35 pips from the entry point. Today, the rise of the euro can be expected only after strong statistics from Germany. Before buying, ensure that the MACD line is above the zero mark and just starting to rise from it. Also, you could plan to buy the euro today in the event of two consecutive price tests of 1.0713, when the MACD indicator in the oversold zone. This will limit the downward potential of the pair and lead to a reverse market turnaround upwards. Expect a rise to opposite levels of 1.0733 and 1.0775. You could also sell the pair after reaching 1.0713. The target will be the level of 1.0671. where you could plan to exit the market and buy the euro immediately in the opposite direction, expecting a movement of 20-25 pips in the opposite direction from the level. Pressure on the pair will return without buyer activity around the daily maximum. Important, before selling, make sure that the MACD indicator is below zero mark and just starting to decline from it. You could also plan to sell the euro today in the event of two consecutive price tests of 1.0733, when the MACD indicator is in the overbought zone. This will limit the upward potential of the pair and lead to a reverse market turnaround downwards. Expect a decline to the opposite level of 1.0713 and 1.0671. Here is Laurie Bailey with pound sterling dollar pair forecast. Let's have a look. On Friday, the British pound showed a trading range of more than 90 pips, piercing the resistance level at 1.2525, 38% Fibonacci, with the upper shadow of the daily candle, but immediately closing the day down by 20 pips. This morning the price is approaching the intermediate resistance, but it has a low chance of surpassing 25.25 because the Marlin oscillator is suggesting that it may reverse from the border of the uptrend territory. Our main scenario is bearish with a nearest target of 1.2427. On the 4-hour chart, the Marlin oscillator is also close to the border of the downtrend area. We're waiting for the price to return below the MACD indicator line. It's a blue line on a graphic, which is moving almost horizontally just above the level of 1.2427 after some contemplation. Breaking the support opens up the target of 1.2370. And finally, here is Laurie Bailey with AUDUSD currency pair forecast. Let's have a look. If we look at the 4-hour chart of the AUDUSD commodity currency pair, you will see two things. Firstly, the price is moving stronger and higher in a channel that is swooping upwards. which indicates that buyers are dominating, which is also confirmed by the MA20 intersecting the MA50. The appearance of the deviation pattern between price movements and stochastic oscillator indicator indicates that there will be a potential for a weakening correction in the near future, based on these two things. So in the near future, AUDUSD have the potential to be corrected to weaken down first to the level of 0.6528. And as long as there's weakening correction does not break below level 0.6486, AUDUSD will appreciate again and rise to a level of 0.6647. That's all for today. Wish you best of luck.